God, I drop everything, don't I? Anyway, what's going on, guys? Perspective here. Sorry, it's been a little bit since I've uploaded my last video. Lots has happened since the last time I posted a video. I moved to a whole different state that I've never been to. Got promoted at my job because, you know, been working kind of hard doing other things, and was able to kind of land myself a pretty good spot in the company I work for. So just been really busy overall, and you know, so sorry about the lack of content. But on a side note, as of this video, we are at 491 subscribers, which is pretty fucking awesome. Thank you guys for the love and support on that. I will get back on a regular schedule on making videos soon. So thank you again. And as far as, you know, what the schedule is going to be or what the topics are, we're still going to be, well, I still have that in development. I still have videos that I've recorded from before the move, so you're going to see a couple of videos coming up after this. That's going to have the old studio in the background. As you see here, there's no studio behind me. This is just the wall in my apartment that we just moved into, so it's a little bit bare. So that's kind of why I have our little Christmas tree here and the little Yeti here, just to kind of add a little bit more of that festive look and feel on our set. So anyway, without further ado, guys, let's do this unboxing. As you already know, I've already unboxed this, but there may be some other people out there that never really watched the last video with me and KV, or that just never really knew that there was a Cyberpunk card out there. Because based on some conversations that I've had with some people, no one knew that, well, only a handful of people knew that there was a Cyberpunk card that was being given away. So let's get to it. We'll put this aside for now, and we'll take a look at what we got in our hands right now. I have the PS4 copy of the Cyberpunk 2077. I got 2 copies for the PC, which I'm only going to open one. I have 2 copies because I originally ordered this online from Best Buy, and Best Buy failed to send the Steelbook along with the game. So I did some last minute shopping this morning and picked up another PC and PS4 version because for some reason they couldn't ship it to me. They couldn't ship me these Steelbooks, but they would give it to someone who just barely ordered one of these copies on release date. So I'm not very happy with that. I think that's bullshit on your part, Best Buy, but you know what? That's neither here nor there. But anyway, we're gonna unbox just the PC copy only, because both of these games are gonna have the same thing inside them. And I'm gonna give you guys a closer look on the 2 Steelbooks out of the 3 that I was able to collect. And let's get to the unboxing. So we got the 2 Steelbooks that I was able to acquire. Don't know who these guys are, but you know, I guess you could say, a hoarder of video game paraphernalia. I like to, in other words, I like to collect things, and forgive me for all those noise. My cat is like running through the freaking blinds right now. But we got the 2 steel cases. Those are the front sides. Here are the back. They're pretty dope. I like them. It's only 2 of the 3. I wish I was able to get the 3rd one to show you guys, but if I can get a good image, I don't know, throw it around. If I can get a better image, I'll put it here somewhere. Anyway, the inside of the, well, before we go to the inside of the case, if you look on the side, on the spine, you're going to see Cyberpunk on the side. And then when you open it up, you're going to see Cyberpunk on the inside as well, with a space to hold the materials, like books and all that. And let's get to unboxing the actual game itself. So this right here, we're going to open up the PC version of the game because they both essentially hold the same things inside, except this one will have the game code because obviously PC. But let's open it up. Thought this was the code for the game. This is the code for HBO Max. So, yeah, fuck, I guess. Here's the code for 30 days of freaking HBO Max. You're very welcome. We got the map for Night City. As you can see here on the back, it's pretty much white. Nothing really special back here. We got these little, I guess these are points to where you can mount it on the wall. Pin it on the wall, I should say. And then we have more of those pinpoints there. And then Night City logo right there. And let's flip it over. And we got the Night City map. Pretty awesome. So it looks like we're going to be traversing this open world here. Actually, one second, we got these postcards, looks like. Yeah, postcards. Freaking little Nas X right here, just kidding. And then Japantown, that's pretty dope. Greetings from Pacifica. So, looks like these are just locales in the game. I think out of these 3 postcards, I like the Japantown the most. And then we got the game manual, or World Compendium right here. The table of contents. So we're looking at the birth of Night City itself, Cyberpunk, friend or foe, all these other things here. I guess just giving you just some information on the game and the backstory, some of the background of the cities themselves. It's pretty awesome. I like that as far as just getting into the lore. I think that's pretty cool. Especially because you don't really see these kinds of books or manuals in games nowadays. Everyone's always trying to get you to look at their digital PDF versions, which I'm not a huge fan of. I'm old school. I grew up during a time where, games come with manuals and things like that. There's that. And here we are, the juicy stuff. Nice. These CDs look kind of sick, but here we go. If I can get this out of here. These are sick. Disc B looks like, oh shoot, this is the soundtrack to the game. That's cool. So along with this one too. And then here is the key to Cyberpunk2077, which I am not giving away, but holy crap, it comes on this like hard card. That's cool. I would take it off, but there's really no point if I'm just gonna scratch this code off with some install instructions and instructions on where to get your digital content. They even got a technical support number listed on here. I'm sure a lot of people called that or went to that freaking link just because been through the grapevine hearing a lot about bugs in the game, but it can't be too bad if the game apparently is like the most hype PC game of this year, so can't be too bad. And then here we got a little note from CD Projekt Red. Reading this year, or the year is 2077. Things are bad for the most part, complicated at best, but they're about to get a hell of a lot more interesting for you. A job of a lifetime is on the horizon, a wild ride spanning dozens of hours of tech-infused adventures through a world unlike anything we've created before, and you're a huge part of making this happen. Whether you've been following Cyberpunk 2077 for a long time, or only found out about it recently, bought the game just after it came out, or later down the line, we'd like to thank you for the support and waiting all these years for the release. Hey, thank you guys for the, for the GPU. Either way, we wouldn't be where we are today, doing what we love, if it wasn't for you. It means everything to us. As has become a tradition of ours, we invite you to enjoy something extra, a number of free DLCs, a small token of our appreciation for believing in us and spending your money on our game. It's time to stop being all sentimental though. The world of the dark future awaits. Get out there and do your thing. And that's cool. They gave us some free DLC. How nice of them, And then here's some stickers, which I'll probably put on my work laptop just to whatever flex, or just keep it as a collector's piece. Cyberpunk merch. There you go. So that is the unboxing of the game. Alright, here we go. The Cyberpunk 2080 Ti GPU Cyberpunk 2077 edition, limited by, I think it's like 150 we're giving out to, people like us, to us plebs. So here we go. In case you haven't already seen this, unboxing of the GeForce RTX 2080 Ti Cyberpunk. So this is the top part. It's got Cyberpunk on the top. And then we got the CD Projekt Red logo here on the top left in the back, and the NVIDIA logo. We got RTX 2080 Ti Cyberpunk on the sides. Well, on that side, this one is blank. Then we got, serial and all that extra stuff, system requirements, warranty information. Here's the card. But before that, show you this here. So it's a coupler from DVI to DisplayPort, in case you ever needed that. We got the support guide, so just like installation, things like that, guarantees in many different languages. And we got the quick start guide. This is probably what has the install. Yeah, this is the one with the install instructions. The other one is just like warranty information and support information. But this is funny. When I first released the video for this card, people were like, "Let me buy it from you, sell it to me, sell it on eBay." I even got friends telling me, "Sell it, you should have sold it." Nah, I've never won anything in my fucking life, so I'm keeping this. But this is the beautiful RTX 2080 Ti. And in before the, it's not a 30 series card, because I don't give a fuck, because this thing's tight. But check this out, we got the back plate here. Well, not really a back plate, because it pretty much encases the whole thing. This is your reference style 2080 Ti with the, custom accents of Cyberpunk 2077 all over it. Here's the back side. Looks like I got a little bit of dirt there that I need to clean out before reinstalling it in my system here. And then here is the fan. Look awesome. Never owned a 2080 Ti before, but, never owned a flagship card before. But this thing is awesome. Alright, I'm done flexing this thing. If you want to see it in a build, let me know. I already promised before in the past, well, I didn't necessarily promise, but I did say in the past that I was going to do a Cyberpunk build with this. Unfortunately, due to all these life changes and it going so fast, I wasn't able to do it, especially because during this time I got this back in March prior to COVID, so a lot of things really happened here as far as getting some of these things done. But if you are really interested in seeing this in my build, I will post another video of it in my build. Nothing custom, nothing extra like that, just because I lack a lot of time right now to do those kinds of things. And my ass camera died, but my ass wants to get on some Cyberpunk 2077 on the PC, so thank you for watching. Thanks again for supporting the channel. Again, I'm really sorry about, the lack of content recently. Like I said, just a lot of shit's been going on in my life, a lot of good things. So, yeah, thanks again for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you love to subscribe and stay tuned, so I'll see you in the next video. Peace. And yes, that is a can of cat food holding this down.